Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about 7 careers in life that people generally dream of. Now 7th place is taken by the astronaut. Many kids dream of going into space when they grow up. Astronauts have a variety of backgrounds and experience. Some have degrees in engineering, physics, or medicine. Some come directly from the military. Most astronauts have a master's degree, and a PhD will significantly improve your chances of reaching the stars. A degree in astrophysics is an ideal starting point for would be astronauts. One of the most successful space agency, NASA, pays its civilian astronauts according to the US government's general schedule pay scale for grades GS11 through GS14. They pay grades mean astronauts earn anywhere between US dollars 66,000 per year to US dollars 1,44,000 per year. Sixth in our list is the vet. People really love pets, might want to be veterinarians as adults. Vets diagnose and treat illness and disease in animals. They might work with pets, livestock, or zoo animals. Most vets work in clinics, but some travel to work on farms, laboratories, or zoos. Vet must complete 4 years of graduate school to receive a Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. They also need to be licensed in the state where they practice. If talking about salary, then earnings is also good as compared to other ordinary professions. The salary of vet may vary country to country. They will get the starting pay of 60,000 to 80,000 US dollars, and it can increase depending upon experience and your specialization. Fifth in our list is a singer or pop star. Many people dream of being a professional singer or member of a rock band. While they might be dreaming of becoming as famous as their favorite singers or bands, most musicians do not achieve that kind of fame. While singers might perform in concert halls for screaming fans, they may also play primarily in recording studios or perform at bars or private events such as weddings or private parties. The education requirement to become a singer is at least bachelor's degree. Salary ranges can vary widely depending on many important factors, including education, certification, additional skills, the number of years you have spent in a profession. Spy hold the fourth place in our list. Spying is the act of obtaining secret or confidential information or divulging of the same without the permission of the holder of the information. A person who commits spying is called a spy. The title spy isn't really used anymore. Instead, you are now called a covert investigator or more broadly a CIA agent. This job involves a lot of collaboration and communication. You work with other agents, international police forces, or informants. The informants you work with are usually average people, so the ability to speak their language is a big plus. High school diploma is needed for this job. Spying should also have an experience of 20 years of service. This is not a permanent job, but person can earn about 0.8 to 1.3 lakhs per month. Private detective takes the third place in our list. Most people around the globe often read books and watch shows about detectives or spies who solve mysteries and want to do the same when they grow up. Detectives and criminal investigators collect evidence and solve crimes. Private investigators often work for attorneys in civil and criminal cases. Private detectives earn considerably more. To take up this job, you need to have a bachelor's degree in criminal justice or a related field. The average salary of private detective was 1,25,000 to 2,50,000 per year. Experienced and successful private detectives earn more than 5 lakh to 10 lakh per year. Number 2 in our list is footballer. A football player or footballer is a sport person who plays one of the different types of football. Being a professional footballer is the dream job for many, and it's easy to see why. After all, it offers one the chance to become a millionaire by playing a game they love. It has been estimated that there are 250 million association football players in the world, and many play the other forms of football. Wages in some top men's leagues are significantly higher than other jobs. Players in the Premier League earn average wages of about 1 million US dollars per year. However, it is an incredibly competitive industry which demands dedication, consistency, and sacrifice. The top dream job in our list is actor or actress. As you all know, actor or actresses portray characters in movies, television, and live performances. There are no education requirements, although many theatre actors hold bachelor's degree in their field. Most actors do refine their skills through university classes or conservatory programs. Acting work is often sporadic, and hours can be long and irregular. Competition for roles can also be intense. The median hourly wage for actors is 20.43 US dollars. People with family background just get lot of exposure in their early childhood to filmmaking, which might create interest or passion for cinema. About 45 to 50% people in this world wants an actor or actress. That's it for today's video, and for more informative videos like this, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.